Feel the roar of chainsaws as they slice through timber, wood chips flying like sparks in the air. Precision meets raw power in this adrenaline-fueled spectacle. Are you ready for the ultimate forestry showdown? Amidst breathtaking alpine peaks, a lone lumberjack takes on tree felling with precision and power. The chainsaw roars as ancient bark yields to man and machine. This is no ordinary task. It's an epic clash of skill and nature's might. Can progress conquer the forest's giants? Wow, this scene showcases the razor-sharp skill needed to safely bring down a towering tree.
It's going the wrong way! Oh my gosh! Well.
Feel the thunder as the steel MS-881 roars to life, effortlessly slicing through a massive log. Wood chips fly like sparks, a testament to raw power and unmatched precision. Can you handle the force of the ultimate chainsaw? Watch this beast in action and witness the thrill. Meet the Komatsu 911, a true titan of logging machinery. Like a king ruling the forest, it slices through trees with unmatched precision. Each chop transforms nature's challenges into a display of raw power and mastery, proving why this machine reigns supreme in forestry operations. The Mack logging truck charges through rugged terrain like a mechanical titan, its bed piled high with hefty logs. Each turn roars with raw power, proving its might and resilience as it tames the wild heart of the forest with seamless strength and unstoppable spirit. Step into history in Herren, Norway, where a water-powered sawmill roars to life since the 1500s. Witness skilled hands preserving ancient craftsmanship, a living testament to Norway's enduring heritage and unstoppable spirit. Watch as a gardener unleashes the raw power of a tractor to conquer a stubborn stump. This fusion of brute strength and human ingenuity transforms a backbreaking task into a jaw-dropping display of efficiency, proving that even the toughest jobs bow to innovation. Oh no, a close call, but luckily everyone made it out safe and sound. See the Steel 500i in action, felling trees with jaw-dropping precision and ease, a raw display of unmatched power. Taking on a massive stump, a 42, one compound block and tackle is your ultimate ally, turning small vehicles into powerhouses with 20 tons of force. But beware, safety comes first. Clear the area, or risk the stump becoming a deadly projectile. Precision and caution make the difference. Feel the power of the 56-inch circular saw as it roars to life. This colossal blade tears through massive logs with breathtaking precision. At 50 years old, it still stands as a masterpiece of engineering, transforming raw wood into perfection. Witness the might of ingenuity in action.
Isn't our normal luster back up. Our big loader's getting worked on.
Oh my god, it's man versus tree. Chasing timber treasure, they face Mother Nature's fury, a clash of raw power and resilience. Will they conquer or be humbled? Wow, the LKT-81 turbos are beasts of raw power, but push them too hard, and you're playing with fire. Overload them, and you might face costly repairs in less than a year. Use wisely or pay the price. Imagine a trail slicing through the forest like a winding river. Every curve a masterpiece of design, blending nature's beauty with human ingenuity. What's your take on it?
The most of it.